take a seat in the meeting room. They'll be right with you.
Thanks for joining us, Mr. Who.
Thanks for coming in, Doctor. Can I call you that? And giving us a chance to really manage this whole regeneration business for you. How long do we actually have until the regeneration?
Oh no. No. This is not good. How do I get the Doctor Who fat suit? No. No, I'm like a bad Tom Baker. That's not fair. Look. Ladies, help me here. I'm not going to be able to get a psychic looking like this. Oh, I've got the bow tie. Great. No, that's the only good thing, isn't it? Why couldn't I just look like Tennant? Oh, come on!
Oh, no. Sorry, Doctor. I don't think there's anything we can do with that.
Okay, come be my assistant.